Hello everyone, quick biochemistry basics here. Let's talk about titration of glycine. Titration involves gradual addition of H plus or OH minus ions to a solution. In acidic environment, glycine has a net positive charge. Let's say pH of solution is 1. It means there are going to be so many H plus ions in the solution. As we add NaOH, the hydroxyl ions are neutralized by H plus ions. And so the pH of the solution starts increasing. At pH 2.34, the carboxyl group of glycine donates its H plus ion. As a result of this donation of H plus ion by the carboxyl group of glycine, the NaOH gets neutralized. As the carboxyl group of so many glycine molecules are donating H plus ions, the pH remains constant even after addition of NaOH. Once the carboxyl group of all the glycine molecules have donated their H+, the further addition of OH- causes sudden rise in pH. At this stage, the glycine becomes zwitterion. It means it has both positive and negative charge. Now, further addition of OH- ions causes rise in pH above 7. At pH 9.6, the ammonium group of glycine starts donating its H plus ion. As the ammonium group of so many glycine molecules donates its H plus ion, the pH remains constant at 9.6. As the H plus ions by the ammonium groups are donated, the glycine now has a net negative charge. And further addition of hydroxyl ions causes further increase in pH.